Hi everyone, my name is Joe and welcome to Ubitronics. On this channel, I help you learn open source software. My main aim is to help creators, small businesses and people just like you to accomplish your goals by using technology. I create tutorials, guides and how-tos on open source software and free platforms so you can accomplish your goals without spending a penny. I focus on a few key platforms, including video editing, videos just like this one, audio editing for voiceovers and podcasts, image editing for photography and social media, and the written word for things like blogs, articles and stories. Now what I don't do is try and advise you on how to run your business. So you may be thinking, oh, that sounds great, you're going to do all the different bits. All I'm going to show you and the things that I focus on are how to actually get tasks completed. So maybe you're wanting to upload your very first video onto YouTube and you don't have a foggiest where to start. Well, I'll help you with all of the editing that you need, all of the programs that you can use, and take you from A to Z on how to actually upload that very first video. Now over time that will become fluid, that will become very easy, but also you'll find you want to do more advanced things. So I also cover all of the advanced features within each of the programs that I teach. So please do have a look around the YouTube channel. I hope it's very helpful for you. I also have a website which kind of packages all of the videos together in a bit of a better fashion, so you may enjoy that. Check it out. It's www.ubitronics.co.uk, and I hope to see you in the next video.